The festival of Lohri celebrated with much fervour usually in Punjab, and protesters from the state who've been camping at Delhi's borders for nearly 50 days now did indulge in festivities, but in a very symbolic, in a very different way. They burnt copies of the farm laws. The farmers have declared that they have no faith in the Supreme Court committee, referring to it as a bit to divert attention from the core issue and making it very clear that their protest will continue.
A day after Supreme Court formed a 4-member committee to break the deadlock over farm laws, farm unions have decided not to take part in the process. The unions are saying all the panel members are supporters of the very laws they are protesting against.
हम समझते हैं कि सरकार की ये शरारत है कि वो अपने ऊपर से ये प्रेशर कम करने के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जरिए ये कमेटी वगैरह ले आई, जिसका हमने कल ही विरोध कर दिया था कि हम ऐसी कमेटी के सामने पेश नहीं होंगे। हमारा आंदोलन एज इट इज सरकार के साथ चलता रहेगा।
The members of the committee have in the past favoured the new farm laws. Agro-scientist Pramod Kumar Joshi had openly hailed the laws, saying that laws give more options to farmers. Bharatiya Kisan Union President Bhupinder Singh Maan had called for the implementation of farm laws. Agro-economist Ashok Gulati had compared the new laws with delicensing of the industry in 1991. And Maharashtra-based union Shetkari Sangatana chief Anil Ghanawat had said that if these laws were to be repealed, no one would dare to bring any reforms. The panel members have assured they will keep an open mind.
आज मेरी जो राह है, मेरा जो आइडियोलॉजी है, वो बाजू रख के मेरे को काम करना पड़ेगा। जो आंदोलक किसान नेता है, उनके साथ बात करके उनको क्या चाहिए उसके बारे में स्टडी करके, अगर उनको प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए, एसएमपी का सपोर्ट चाहिए तो वो कैसे दिया जा सकता है, उसके बारे में हम सोचेंगे। जिन किसानों को फ्रीडम चाहिए उनको फ्रीडम कैसे दिया जा सकता है, उसके बारे में रिपोर्ट तैयार होगी। हमारा अभी जो पूर्व का सोच है उसका कोई मायने नहीं रखता।
The opposition too has stepped up its attack on the composition of the SC-appointed panel.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी जो 4 सदस्य कमेटी के बनाए, वो तो पहले ही मोदी जी के कानूनों के समर्थक हैं। वो तो इन काले कानूनों के पक्षधर हैं। ऐसी कमेटी के सदस्य क्या न्याय करेंगे?
With farmer unions vehemently opposing the Supreme Court appointed committee, one thing is clear: the deadlock is far from over. With Maushmi Singh at Singhu border, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.